Good day, everyone. I'm Elaiza. I'm from Employer Relations Department. I'm here to give a video feedback.
Good day, my name is Marie Victoria Fernandez de Guzman from the Employee Relations Department, and I am here to give my video feedback for Creotec Philippines Incorporated.
Good day, I'm Jermar from Health and Safety.
Good day, everyone. My name is Karsha from Compensation and Benefits Department. I'm here to give my video feedback.
Good day, I am Irene from Operations and Accounting Department.
I've learned a lot at Creotec Philippines Incorporated as I aspire to be a successful professional in the future in my chosen field of specialization. For technical skills, I've learned how to use the Excel as well as to work under time pressure using the Microsoft Word. And in life skills, I've learned how significant time management is, especially as I want to be productive in my work.
Experience in Creotec is unforgettable. Creotec taught me how to handle my time wisely.
I learned how to value time, to cooperate with my co-trainees, and to face all the struggles with a smile.
I've learned a lot at Creotec Philippines. For technical skills, I've learned how to use Excel Word as well as the Microsoft Word. Skills, I've learned how significant time management is.
I learned to manage my finances like to pinpoint and prioritize crucial needs.
And Creotec made me realize that patience is one of the most important things we need to learn in able to reach our goals in life.
I acquired so much discipline in our work immersion because of our supervisors and facilitators. It became an instrument to me that I should focus on the given task for us to be productive, especially it is given that I am a team leader. So that's it.
I acquired discipline by attending the work immersion on time.
5S, it helps me to be more responsible enough and to have more self-discipline.
It helped me to be more responsible and taught me technical knowledge about managing tasks in life.
Namahan ako at na-excite, natutuwa kasi mararanasan niya o matututunan niya yung paano maging madisiplina at saka masubukan niya kung paano mag-training bilang isang OJT kasi dinadaanan niya na kahit sinong estudyante yung mag-training, mag-OJT para magkaroon sila ng idea kung paano ang gagawin nila pagdating ng tamang panahon na sila ay magkaroon ng trabaho. Kaya natutuwa ako dahil naranasan niya dyan sa Creotec na ginawa niya yung the best na para sa kanya. Ginawa niya yung kung ano yung dapat gawin bilang isang OJT training. Yun lang. Salamat.